What's up, beautiful people? I'm going to show you how to set up this really cool app that lets you run AI locally on your phone. So let me show you. Airplane mode, no Wi-Fi. How many tablespoons are in a pound?
About 2 tablespoons.
That is not true.
That's not true. A pound of water is about 64 tablespoons. Let me know if you need the conversion for a different substance.
Okay, so I got my question wrong at first, but otherwise it's done pretty well. I wanted to leave that in the guide so that you guys see that local models can sometimes be a little screwy compared to the trillion-dollar ones that you use when you're using ChatGPT or Claude, but they still can be really useful. And I think it's really important and helpful for you guys to get used to running and testing different local models on your phone because it's going to become more and more accessible and more of the norm, and it'll help you design better apps and use cases. Let me try one more. What's the capital of Cambodia and how long have people lived there?
The capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. People in Cambodia live there for about 25 years.
That's another good one. Oh, and that's an old model that I'm using. So if I upgrade, that was Quinn 3. If I upgrade to Quinn 3.5, we should get double the amount of training. It should be a lot smarter. So let me show you guys what this is all about. Should be on my screen, but this will work on iPhone. And you're just going to want to download this locally app. So I'm going to show you here. You just kind of get to pick between Gemma, Quinn, and Minstrel right now. Gemma obviously is Google's open source model. Quinn is Alibaba's open source model. And then Minstrel is Mistral AI's open source model. Let's say we were just having trouble with Quinn. So maybe let's go with Gemma. And it's going to show you how big the model is. It'll probably be between 1 gig to 4 gigs. And if you're on the phone app, it'll kind of helpfully show you what iPhone or newer you need. Like one is iPhone 14 or newer. Quinn 3.5 is 15 or newer. The big 3.5 is 15 Pro or newer. So you can kind of check in there and see what you need. And once you've got a model downloaded on your phone, you can replace Siri really easily by searching action button like this. And that'll let you go in the action button menu. And then you're going to assign a shortcut and you search for locally. I wish I had this mirrored on my screen right now. And then you should have the option to either start a new chat or click voice mode. And that's what I did, was voice mode. So now when I hit this button above my volume buttons here, we get a new locally voice. Who was the first king of France?
The first king of France was Louis I, also known as Louis the German, who reigned from 987 to 996.
Is that true? I feel like that's not true, but I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's how you can replace Siri with a locally run model, completely private. Like I said, you can use it in airplane mode and your data isn't going to go up to some company. And besides voice mode, you can chat with it like you would a regular AI. And yeah, it'll work if you don't have cell phone service, like I said. And you'll be the coolest person at dinner if you do that thing. You pull out your phone, airplane mode, tell them you've got a 4 gigabyte AI model running on your phone with all the world's knowledge in it. Pretty cool stuff. It's so easy. It's like a 5-minute thing. And then you can say that you run an AI model on your iPhone, guys. I really think running your own local models is going to be the future of AI. Let me know in the community if you're doing anything with local AI, if you even like these guides about running your own AI models. As always, I'm Billy from the Rundown University. Stay frosty and peace.